The over-directed layered haircut is also referred to as long layers or increased layers. The contract for this haircut is C-6 and the thermal style for the haircut is D28. The game plan is available in a handout and the sectioning can vary for the over-directed haircut. When you first start, your teacher may want you to section into 8, and that's usually a good plan because it keeps you well organized. And if a mistake is made, it's only made in one section, and then you can easily get some help from your teacher to help to fix that little mistake, and then you carry on. So it's a good idea to section into 8. If you do, you would start like I did here with the parietal ridge sectioned out, and then across the apex, divide so you have your crown and you have your front. Then divide, continue your front from back division and just go straight down, and that's going to take you approximately mid to back of the ear, and that will be your front section. Then if you want to continue and go into the 8 sections, you're going to go across the occipital bone and down the center 6 point, and that's going to give you your midsection and your nape section. So therefore you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on the other side 6, 7, 8. So your 8 sections would be there for you. When you first start this haircut, you're always going to want to visit the perimeter and just make sure that you have a nice solid perimeter in there, because knowing that the perimeter is there is part of your process when you're cutting your increased layers or long layers or over directed layers. Sometimes you have a client who already has a pretty good perimeter there. You might just have to clean it up a little bit. Sometimes the client may decide that they want some length taken off. So you have to have that consultation with your client and determine how much length they want removed. And I would do that before you start putting the layers in. And some people prefer to do the interior layers and then check the exterior, your perimeter, once you've completed everything. I prefer to check the perimeter first so I know where I need to head to, because when we're cutting in the interior of the hair, we need to know where we're heading towards the exterior. So I like to check it first, and then, like all haircuts, it should be checked after as well.